back to my channel. I've missed you guys, and I know it's been a long time. I really apologize for not being active here and posting videos. There's a reason for that, and I will tell you more about it next time. But I'm working on a really big project. It's the first one in my art career, so I hope that you will support it when it comes out. But for now, I am going to just share an art haul. I recently went to Japan. I really love that place, and this is a compilation of the things that I got from Sekaido, which is a big art store, and also some from the Traveler's Notebook. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so let's start with Sekaido. I got some Holbein paints, and this is their Chroma Shine. I've actually seen this before. I didn't get it, but I should have gotten it way before, because it's already December 21 as I'm filming this. It would have been nice to use this on the Christmas cards because they are shiny watercolor paints. I think they're like metallic paints, so I'm really excited to try them out. And then next, I think this is their new product. This is the Nightfall colors. So I'm not sure, I'm honestly not sure if they are granulating or why they call it Nightfall. But since I was already there, I wanted to just get a set and try them out. Okay, let's move on to another paint set. So as I was browsing through the paints, I saw this one and I realized it's also from the brand or company Boku Undo. So I've already reviewed some paints from them, and I also saw something similar like this, but the packaging was different. So I'm honestly not sure if they're just the same and maybe in a different packaging, but it seems like the colors here look a bit more pastel and brighter. So it looks like this. So the name is Snow White, Snow Peony, Snow Jasmine, Snow Mint, Snow Blue, and Snow Lavender. So they're very pretty. I'm just excited to try them. Alright, so as I was browsing through some dabbers or sponge dabbers, I saw this one. It's so interesting. So I think it's used for stenciling, or yeah, it's for stenciling. You can use it for inks or stamp pad, and I've never seen this before, but it's just a nice product. Let's try to open one now. Oh, so it's so cute. It has a small cap. It's actually quite soft, and I just like looking for things that are not really meant for watercolor, but I would use them to add texture, and I just like using it in another creative purpose. So yeah, I got this one. This one was less than 200 Japanese yen. Then I also saw this. It looks a bit bigger, and it comes in a set, so I already got one set since I'm not sure if I can find them elsewhere. Alright, so next I got this water brush, and I know water brushes are quite common, but this is from the brand Namura, and I do love this Japanese art brand. I think they make great paint brushes, so I thought that I would try this one. I'm just not sure if it's quite soft. Maybe we can check. Okay, so it's still hard because it has some I don't know if it's called glue, but we have to wet this part to make it softer. But so far it looks really nice, and it's going to be very convenient to use this when you want to paint outside. Right, so Sekaido was selling their own merch, and it was really so cute because this is like their building, and you can see the brand Sekaido. This is almost what it looks like on the outside, and they turned it into a notebook. So I thought it was really cute. And then they also collaborated with Turner Colors, so they have their own color called Sekaido green. So I guess this is their brand's signature color. Let's check. Okay, looks like this. Just got it as a souvenir. Next, I got a bunch of other pens. Okay, I got some gold pens, which I'm not really sure if they're nice, but I wanted to try them out for my holiday cards that I will be doing maybe next year. So at least I have some other gold pens. Yeah, and then I also got this one. So this is one of my favorite white pens. This is a Uniball Signo, and I also got the one in gold. And then I saw this one. It looks like a white marker. I'm not really sure. So I also got one to try. And of course, I got some tapes. I don't think I have this thin tape yet, because I have this regular one that you probably have seen in my previous videos. So this is thinner, and I think it's a nice addition to my collection. It's a very beautiful tape that's very gentle on the paper. So if you can go to an art store in Japan, try to look for these kinds of washi tape, because they're really great for painting. Next, I saw this one. I'm not sure what it's for, but look at the texture here. So it looks similar to my surikomi brush. If you've seen surikomi brush, it has the same texture. It's quite hard, so it's like the bristles of a toothbrush, and I think it's great to add some texture using this one also. Next, I got this really big watercolor sketchbook from the brand Saunders Waterford. This is actually one of my favorite papers, but unfortunately the reseller or distributor in the Philippines, they no longer sell this brand. So I stopped using it because it wasn't really available, and that's why I started using Bao Hong paper, if you have seen my videos. So this one, I got it in a really big size. It doesn't even fit in the screen. And I bought this because of a friend. And if you know Jillian Boone Art, I love her. And I got influenced by her. She used this big sketchbook, and it was really nice. So this is about I think 3,500 Japanese yen, around that much, and it's only actually just 12 sheets. So I went to this big Starbucks roastery in Tokyo, and they have a collab with Traveler's Company, and I immediately got these 3 items. This one, I've been looking to buy one for years. It's because I want to collect all the brass clips from the Traveler's Company. I have 2 more right here. So I already have 2, you can see. They're quite old now. And so happy that I finally got to buy this. And I also bought this washi tape. So they have some exclusive designs, and also this small notebook with beautiful illustration. And lastly, I got this Traveler's Notebook in the Tokyo Station cover. So I've actually seen this last year and decided not to buy it, and it went out of stock. So I'm so happy that this year there were few stocks in the store, because this is exclusive in the Tokyo Station branch. Alright, so that's it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!